Hey everyone, I'm Mick Rage. I'm here to give you a review on the Zing, Zing BM-800 microphone. This is the microphone that I'm speaking into now, so you can hear that it's not too shabby with the quality for a $58 mic on Amazon. So I figured, you know what, heck, why don't we just do a quick review? So we're in the studio, and we are going to review the ZINGYOU BM-800 mic. Here we go. Okay, so that being said, this ZINGYOU mic, we've been using it now on our podcast, which our podcast, if you don't know, is called Mental Case Dads. And yeah, so we've been using it for about 3 months now, and I think it's a pretty good mic. What it comes with the mic itself, and it is an XLR mic, and it comes with the arm and the pop filter and the cage. Now the cage is okay. Sometimes I do find that these bungee cords, if you will, do fall off and you have to put them together. No big deal. The boom arm is not the best, but again, you're paying like under $60 for a microphone that has pretty good quality. So even if you had to purchase a boom arm later, it would be okay. Now, it also comes with the USB cords and the power cords. I believe this is called a sound card. So this sound card, you can actually put this cord that it comes with, because it comes with everything you need to go directly to your computer. It doesn't come with an XLR cord if you were going to plug it into an interface or a soundboard. It comes with this one, so it has the NXLR for the male part for the mic, and then it comes with the 3.5 millimeter prong that you can plug into the sound card. So it has two jacks here, so you can plug it in. Yellow is always sound, people, and then the green you can plug your headphones in if you would like. So for the price, $58, I think it's great. Like I said, it does have a couple of downs, but not a heck of a lot. Like I said, with the boom arm and this, other than that, and then you can also, it can be kind of sensitive, but again, depending on what you're using in your program, you could probably fix it, but like sometimes, like you hear the touch and like it is sensitive, but it is a condenser mic that is to grab your voice. Amazon does say that you can use it for instruments, acoustic instruments, so you can put your mic up to that. I haven't used that, so I can't say anything on that. However, I've used it for the podcast for the past, like I said, 3 months, and it's done wonders for us, and we enjoy it. So, we give it a thumbs up. We give it a Mental Case Dad's thumbs up. And you know what? We're going to start doing some more of these videos to try and help out some new and upcoming podcasters. And we're actually going to get together with a couple too in the future. And we're just going to work together and do this together. So, hey, if you liked it, come on, give us a thumbs up and hit the like and subscribe button. And make sure you check out Mental Case Dad's podcast as well. It's a pretty good time there. So anyway, cheers. Under $60. Can't ask for more. Have a good one.